I'm Sadat Kanchemirio. I'm the Deputy President Kenya Judo Federation and also the Judo for Peace project director at the Kenya Judo Federation. So we've come here today to see, or rather qualify our athletes for the Olympic scholarship. This scholarship will be able to help them meet the requirements, or rather qualify for the Youth Olympics 2026 and the LA 2028 Summer Olympics. What we've done today, we've just done the basics, this selecting the athletes. Which will follow next is their documentations and also vetting, which will be able to allow them to qualify for this scholarship. Generally, it's the most transparent, as I can say, and also we believe that whatever we have seen today will be replicated when these athletes will be chosen in the final event. For Kenya Judo Federation and the International Judo Federation, we are actually working in tandem to also UNHCR regulations and the government regulations, and this is the beginning of one of the things we would need to pursue in terms of how cohesive we will be able to work with the refugees or have the athletes play in our national league and also representing this country, because the International Judo Federation gives one of the choices to the athletes to be able to represent their country which they are being hosted in. And the other choice is flying with the IF flag, which is different from the IOC flag and other federations. For our case, we really need to ensure that we promote a cohesive integration of these refugees within us and within the world, and this is the only choice which can help them. Don't wait, eh? Cut. Yes. Cut 45, eh? Your left. Don't focus on this one. Go. Cut. Yes. Not single. Yes. Stop him. Don't let him come. Eh? Stop. Front leg. Stop him.
Okay, Ipon Sonagi.
Go, come in.